Y'all, guess we got their Temu. I was waiting a whole week for this. Alright. Oh my god, I got scissors. So let's open this just to get this up. I ordered this on the 18th of August and I got it on the 27th on Sunday. I thought I could get yesterday, but the headphones that I got is crushed up, so I want to go ahead and take it out. Here are the headphones. These are supposed to be the the Air Max Apple headphones. Cute. This little charger. So this is a regular USB. So the first feel of them, they feel like they could break in 2 seconds. Okay, I don't know. We gonna see how they sound, and I'm gonna come back. So I got these slippers. They're so cute. Little furry slippers. So these are supposed to be like those, I think, designer. I also have a matching bag, which I'm gonna buy later. But yeah, y'all, this is so cute. Got one of these hats. It's a tassel hat. So cute. I can't wait to style it. I just know it's gonna be cute. Oh. This crochet. So I got this denim skirt. It has slit at the bottom. I have so many ideas for this. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and show it, like an idea I have for Pinterest, from Pinterest. Yes, I want a long skirt so that initial ring, a J ring. Yeah, I wanted one of these so bad. Let's get a J. Oh, there you go. Backward side to flip it. Yes, y'all, so cute. Alright, and the next thing I got, what the heck? These are these press-on nails, press-on toenails with designs. Toenails. It looks like Powerpuff Girls a little bit. Like, y'all see that? It's cute. Pink, green, silver. Cute. And you can adjust it in the back. I think that's all there is with the accessories. As far as like little stuff like nails under the head. I just know I might shake it. These are cute. I'm gonna shake it. Cute. And it has distress details on it. And this was only $13. Are you kidding me? And this hat was, I think, like $3, and this one like $5. But I list everything. These were all like around $1. And the ring. Yeah, that is pretty much it, and I hope you guys enjoyed my little haul. So that all came up to $53 and what, 97 cents or something like that. But yeah, this is pretty good. But I'm pretty sure that would came up as $100 in a regular store because they high as hell. But yeah, this is pretty much it, and I'll see you guys next time.